Hi everyone, I am going to explain you all the updates that we have had this week in TopWorksheets. You are going to see how interesting some of them are. The first one is that we have added the option of return submissions to students. This means that, for example, if they have a very bad grade, they can repeat the worksheet again. To activate this function, it's very important that the students belongs to a closed group. So we click on it, we go to the submission section, and I'm going to choose this one to repeat the task. As you can see, here is the new option, and it even gives me the chance of adding a comment. If I were the student in my student's account, look how the task appears to me, like return. I just have to click and do it again. And here you can see the message. The next update is that now you can change the answers corrections of all the fields. If we go to a student submissions and we click here, we can now correct more fields than the answer and the drop-down ones, which were the only that could be done until now. As you can see, these are drag and drop activities and we can change the correction without any problem. All answer fields can be corrected except for the word search from now on. And very related to this is the third update. When we are correcting a worksheet that has open questions as the drawing, for example, or these ones, and the worksheet also have auto-grading questions, like the drop-down, we can also change the correction of these ones. We just have to click in this option and look what happens. This way we have more control over the correction of a worksheet. I also want to mention that we have added this filter in case there are many questions, so we can choose and find them better. The next thing is that we have added the option to finish a task. This would prevent the students from sending more tasks to us, but without losing the submissions that we already have. And for the students, we also have improvements. Look at this worksheet in which they have to listen to this audio and answer the following questions. We have developed a better audio player than the one we had. Now the student can both pause it and jump on the playback bar at any point. The next update is in the editor, in the media section, and is that for those who are premium, we have increased the capacity of image and audios up to 5 megabytes. This translates to more minutes of audio, for example, if we want to do an activity like this. And surely you have already noticed, because it's quite obvious, but we have changed a few names in the editor and we have improved the help so that everything is easier for everyone. The all multiple choice is now the highlight and the selector is now the drop-down. The next update is that we have added PayPal as a payment system on the platform, an easier, faster and very secure way to make the corresponding payments in TopWorksheets. And for the last thing, if you have ever finished a group and for whatever reason you want to rescue it, now you have the option to unfinish it. Look how it appears here again. We hope you like everything this week. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.